So I've done slide reviews on both of these Adidas slides, the Infinity Slides, which are one of my favorites, soft, squishy, really, really amazing pair. And I also did a review recently on the Lightblaze slides as well, which I think is the best looking slides overall. So two excellent options from Adidas. I will have a comparison video to a handful of other Adidas slides, as well as a top 10 slides video for summer. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. But this is one that really caught my attention, and kind of not in a good way, but then I got them and I'm pretty impressed. So it says, when sports over, it's time to recover. And these are the Adissage 360 RECs, recovery. I'm assuming that's what it stands for. I like that there's like a little back roller or something like that here. This is the weirdest looking slides that I've got, I think, out of like all of them. And I have literally a bin full of black slides. The weirdest looking ones, in my opinion, with all of the weird balls everywhere. I didn't think they'd be very good because of the little balls, giving that like massage sort of feeling, quote unquote. But I'll tell you, like, after getting them and wearing them around for the last couple of days, I'm like, dude, I actually kind of like these. They do feel kind of like little massage balls in the bottom of your foot, and some people probably crave that sensation. I'm not necessarily one that does. I don't love the look of them across the strap. I don't think it's necessary. You don't actually touch this part with your foot, but it kind of adds to the, the overall visible look to the slides because of that. Now, some people have the fear of holes or whatever. Some people might not like the cluster of little balls all over the place. I don't really love that look either personally, but I do feel like this is actually a really solid pair of slides, much better than I would have anticipated. So there's 3 different pairs out here. To be honest, I don't prefer them the best out of all 3 of them. I'm still like an Infinity slide person. I really like these ones. They're wider. They fit really, really good. They're really comfortable and squishy. They're all foam as well, something I like. But this is a really solid pair as well. I actually kind of like this one on feet better than this pair, which I really like overall as well. But the Lightblaze slides have a kind of a different shape overall on my feet. I think it's just because my arc and stuff is just flat, and this part like kind of arcs around or something. I don't really know. When I loosen the strap, these things are fine. Overall, they're comfortable, but I would say that side by side, this one is more comfortable than the Lightblazes, but I would say that the Infinities are more comfortable than these, if you will. So throwing that out there in a tiering for you guys, but overall very impressed with the feel on feet. Now I did get a size 10. Normally I'm a 9.5, so it's always the question: am I going to go with the 9 or go with the size 10? Infinities, I went with the size 9. I think that's the right choice because they're so wide. For the Lightblazes, I went with a 10, and I'm happy with that, but they do fit a little bit big. I'm okay with it, but some people might think that they fit too big. And then for these, I actually went with a size 10 as well, and I feel like that was the right move. Size 10 fits me perfect, especially with socks on and whatnot. So a quick overview. Again, this is the Adissage 360 RECs. They only cost $35 at retail, which is actually pretty nice. This is the cheapest out of these 3 out here. It is an all foam shoe as well, and that also includes the strap. This is all rubber foam, and it also says right here, it says, when sports over, it's time to recover. And then it does have the sizing on the other side. Again, I went with the size 10. And then I like that this strap is actually rubberized as well with just the Velcro. So the Velcro could get wet, but this is the pair that you could wear, and get wet if you needed to. Overall, the massage balls are plentiful through the footbed. You do have the Massage Ball 360 like little logo that's on the back here. And then you do have like some longer bars of like cushioning, I guess, or rigidness in the midsole, and that's kind of where the arc area is. And I'll tell you, like, overall, when you're walking around them, they feel good. Like, the massaging sensation is there because there's so many of them there. And so when you're walking around, you don't feel like they would stick out. Like, I was worried that I'd step and it'd be like kind of awkward feeling, but I was like, this is like actually kind of pleasant. It massages nicely, and they felt overall very good. And I actually like this midsole as well. It adds a nice effect to the slides. It's kind of like a ridged, like a ribbed look on the sides, and it's a little bit of wavy motion there. It looks good, it feels good, and it's overall very durable, whatever the foam is. I'll look in and see what they say on their website, but it does have an Adidas logo on the bottom and also one on the side. You do also have some numbers right here on the inside, which is kind of weird that they actually have those printed out there. It looks like a SKU for the product, but I have no idea what it is. It doesn't match the SKU on the box, so I don't know what those numbers are. But pleasantly surprised for $35. I thought for sure this was going to be a dud. I thought this was going to be a winner, but side by side, after wearing them, I'm like, I actually like these ones better than the Lightblazes. However, looks-wise, though, aesthetics, the Lightblazes, hands down, for the $5 more at $40, I definitely like that look better. But for indoor comfort, nobody's looking at my feet when I'm in my house, so I'm like, this is a super, super comfy pair for whatever it's worth. Again, I kind of dig the massage vibes there, but what it says on their website, again, $35, it does say fitting is true to size. and it does have a 5-star review, which is pretty awesome. There's only a couple, but it's a new slide. These adjustable slides make every step feel like a massage for your feet. Slip into vacation mode with these Adidas slides. Their soft, adjustable strap and massaging nubs on the footbed keep your feet in total comfort whether you're lounging poolside or strolling along the beach. The wavy ribbed outsole offers flexibility and traction on wet surfaces so you can enjoy the laid-back life worry-free. And also just throwing this out there, they do have a standard pair of the Adissage slides at $32. Everybody probably remembers those ones from back in the day. Those ones were not very comfortable to me though. They had like those little nibs on the bottoms, and they've been around for a decade or more. I just have never really enjoyed the feeling of those ones on feet, but these are a different story. I was like, this is actually what I expected the other old pair to feel like, but this is a new wave sort of pair. And again, I don't really love the looks of these, but on feet, I'm very impressed. And if you guys bought a pair of these and are checking out the review, leave a comment for other people, let them know your guys' thoughts as well, because this is a definite like contender for like one of the best slides of the year. And there's a lot of really, really comfortable slides, but it has such a fun, unique take that I'm actually like, dude, I do like this pair better overall, but this one puts it in a different category because they're just, again, just a different fun vibe. I don't love the looks, but I do like the adjustable strap. Having that ability to adjust and make them snugger or, you know, just a little bit more relaxed is a super plus in my opinion. If you guys are interested in buying the Adissage 360 Rex, I will link them in the description. It'll take you over to Adidas to cop a pair if you're interested. Again, I will link the Lightblazes as well as the Infinities also. But all three of them are good in their own rights, and hopefully you guys found the video somewhat informative. For those people that have other feedback, leave comments and let other people know, yes or no, you know, Hess is right about this, or I think he's wrong about that. Appreciate the honest feedback though. And if you guys make any purchases from the links, it again supports the family, so greatly appreciated. But have a good rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed, and check back for the top 10 slides video for this year. I'll be posting it very soon. Have a good one. All right, peace guys.